Welcome to our new adventure, A Sportster Summer. It's the first time we have our Sportster in Turkey. We will show you around the district of Fethiye and beyond as we ride our little Sportster around the places that we love. Nearby Oludeniz is a world-famous paragliding area. You can also catch a cable car to the top of Babadağ mountain. We will show you amazing historical sites, beautiful natural phenomenon, and we visit some of the most beautiful places in this area. Come with us on our Sportster Summer, ride with us and catch the adventure.